Do you have 5 minutes to spare? While being busy is such a popular word, we can all find even 5 minutes somewhere throughout our day. So let's check out this power of 5 that we can create, build and enjoy with our piano playing. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the content, as this will really help me out, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment that you can give. Now, today doesn't go into the how-tos of practice, but if you'd like to check out some behind the scenes of my family and how we work our music making into our day, then I'll add a link for that as well. But today, let's look at the power of practice, and with the power of only 5 minutes, we can create time. Thinking of only 5 minutes isn't a daunting amount. We can easily see 5 minutes disappear while we scroll away, or it can be a springboard to develop us and our abilities. To create this time, I often like to use my phone. I might set an alarm so then it goes off in the mornings and then I can remember to play then. And then I also like to use a timer. So if I think I've only got 5 minutes or 15 minutes is often my number, then I'll put that on the timer and then it'll remind me to finish then. And like me, once you get started, then you may play even longer if you have that time. And remember that even 5 minutes has an accumulative effect. So after a week, you'll have done 35 minutes of playing, and over a whole year, you'll be over 30 hours more developed than where you were. So we all have 5 minutes available to do anything that we want. With the power of only 5 minutes, we can build our skills. How good does it feel to nail those new notes? Get your playing rhythmic and flowing, or have others recognize a tune. Each little bit of repetition grows on yesterday's skills, and soon you'll have a snowball effect. Our brains are amazing. There is so much research on brain plasticity and changing our brain. So as well as being good for getting things firing up there, playing piano and practicing repetitively is also great for building our skills and our muscle memory too. With the power of only 5 minutes, we can feel good and enjoy ourselves. We can feel more productive. So much joy comes from singing and hearing and feeling music, with our memories of old songs and old favorites too. When I play music in the mornings, I really notice that it settles my mind. It leaves me feeling calm and I feel really uplifted to get on with my day. So have a try at blocking out just 5 minutes a day this week for some music making of your own. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're a beginner or you're returning to piano after some time, then join me each week for some piano tutorials and tips. I love hearing your feedback in the comments down below, and please let me know what is most helpful to you. Ta-da!